In this video, you'll learn how to upload Google Docs to Google Drive. Even though Google Docs and Google Drive are closely connected, it can sometimes be a bit confusing to understand how to get your documents into the right place, especially if you're just getting started. So let's walk through it slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to do every time. First, you'll want to open Google Drive. The easiest way to do this is in your web browser. In the address bar, type in the main Google Drive web address or use your bookmarks if you've saved it before. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. You can check this in the top right corner of the page where your profile icon appears. If it's not the account you want, click it, switch to the right one, and wait for Drive to reload. Once Google Drive is open, you'll see your folders and files, or a mostly empty space if your drive is new. This is your main storage area in the cloud, where everything you upload will live. Take a quick moment to decide where you want your document to go. If you already have a folder you'd like to use, you can click into that folder first so the file uploads directly there. If not, don't worry, you can move it into a folder later. Now look towards the top left corner of the screen for the New button. This button is your starting point for adding anything to Google Drive. Click on New and a menu will appear. In that menu, choose Upload File. This option is specifically for bringing a file from your computer into your Google Drive. When you click Upload File, a file browser window will open. This is where you select your document. Navigate through your folders on your computer to find the Google Docs file or the document you want to upload. If it's a file you recently saved, it might be in your Downloads or Documents folder. Take a second to check the file name so you're sure you're choosing the right one. Once you've found your document, click on it once to select it, and then click Open in the file browser window. As soon as you do this, Google Drive will begin uploading your document. You'll usually see a small status box in the bottom right corner of the screen showing the progress of the upload. For smaller files, this may complete almost instantly. Larger files might take a little longer depending on your internet connection. After the upload finishes, you should see a confirmation in that status box, and your document will appear in the folder or location you had open when you started. If you want to double check, you can click on the file to open it and make sure everything looks correct. From here, you can rename the file, move it into another folder, or share it with others using the Share button. But the core process is exactly what you just did. Open Google Drive, click New and Upload File, then select your document. Once you've gone through these steps a few times, uploading to Google Drive will feel quick and natural.